The owner of a gun store in Chandler has been indicted after prosecutors say his guns ended up in the hands of convicted felons. This is the list of charges being presented by the U.S. Attorney's Office against 34-year-old Esteban Yanez. Yanez is the owner of this gun store, and the charges against the business owner date back to October of 2025. Jason Lamb, an attorney representing the defendant, explains the terms in his words.
The formal charges that we've seen thus far simply suggest that my client did not keep appropriate records in terms of transactions of weapons themselves and related financial aspects of it.
The investigation was done by the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives. Besides straw purchasing and false statements, documents say on 2 occasions guns purchased at the store were ultimately going to a convicted felon, which is a federal crime. Prosecutors accused Yanez of aiding and abetting people who knowingly made false statements about who the guns were for. But Lamb argues these issues are tracked by the ATF.
The law requires not only my client, but anyone else who is in the business of selling firearms to reasonably ensure that these regulations are not violated. But my client nor any other individual can ensure that someone is not going to come in with a fake ID, perpetrate a fraud, or that they've been to 6 other stores in town during the same week to buy a gun.
Separately, documents say Yanez failed to file IRS forms when the business received over $10,000 in cash. As for background on Yanez and if he's ever been charged with anything similar, Lamb tells us this.
This is an absolute anomaly of a situation, or a blip on the radar, if you would. Based on all of these factors, the prosecutor recognized that he wasn't a danger or a flight risk and recommended that he be released. And in fact, the judge agreed and my client was released.